Good morning, students. Now, in Unit 2, important topics are Lagrange's interpolation polynomials and problems, divided difference problems, cubic spline problems, Hermite interpolation, or Navier method. You can ignore Navier method, but it will come in the examination. And out of syllabus, one is Newton's forward difference formula, Newton's backward difference formula. It's not a Newton's forward divided difference formula, Newton's backward divided, it's not divided difference. Only Newton's forward difference formula, Newton's backward difference formula or differentiation formula. Now, next definitions: interpolation, extrapolation, delta, nabla, and shift operator. Now, coming to the definition, what is interpolation? Interpolation means the process of finding the original function using the given set of tabulated values is called interpolation. In other words, the process of finding the value of a function using the set of values within the range of x is called interpolation. What is extrapolation? The process of finding the polynomial using the given set of values. If the x value lies outside of the table, that is called extrapolation, outside the range of x, right? Now, what is delta? Delta is a forward difference operator. Delta is a forward difference operator. It is operating on a function value, right? It gives what? F of x1 minus f of x0. This is called forward difference operator. Now, if you want to write delta y1, that is y2 minus y1. See, delta y3, increment y4 minus y3, like that, right? F of x0 is also denoted by y0. F of x1 is also denoted by y1. Suppose if you want to find delta square y0, right, which can be written as delta of delta y0. See, this is equal to delta y0 can be written as y1 minus y0. Multiply delta inside, delta y1 minus delta y0. Now this can be written as y2 minus y1 minus of, this can be written as y1 minus y0. If you simplify this one, y2 minus 2y1 plus y0. See, minus y1 minus y1 2y1 minus of minus plus y0. Remember, there is one shortcut. Suppose if you want to find delta cube y0, if you want to find delta cube y0, simply use the coefficients. Pascal triangle coefficients or binomial coefficients, that is 1 3 3 1, right? Now alternate sign, plus minus plus minus. Now starting from y0, no, here y0, this increment y1, this is y2, this is y3, this is the answer. Suppose if you want to check with this one, you can also check. Delta square y0 can be written as Pascal triangle coefficients, right? 1 2 1. First one is plus minus plus. Y0, no, here from the last end, from y0 increment it, y1, this is y2. So we got same answer, no, y2 minus 2 y1 plus y0, right? But this is the actual process of simplification. Similarly, nebula y1 y0 is equal to y0 minus y suffix minus 1, right? Now nebula y1 is equal to y1 minus y0. Nebula y3 is equal to y3 minus y2, right? This is the formula of nabla, right? Similarly, in the same fashion, you can find a nabla square y2 also, nabla of nabla y2, like that, right? Next, what is E? E is called a shift operator. Shift operator means it is an operator operating on a function value. It gives the next immediate function value. Suppose E is an operator operating on y0, it gives y1. E of y2, next value, E square of y4, which can be written as E of y4. E of y4 is y5. E of y5 is y6, right? Now, these are the definitions. Definitions are important. Sometimes they will ask what is interpolation, what is forward difference operator, what is backward difference operator, like that. Next one is Lagrange's Lagrange's interpolation formula. Right, Lagrange's interpolation formula is very important problem. Right, now based on the table we have to write the formula. Right, now this Lagrange's interpolation formula can be written as f of x is equal to, how to write this one? Now L naught of x into f of x naught, L1 of x into f of x1 plus L3 of x into f of x2 plus so on. This is the Lagrange's interpolation formula where L naught of x depends upon the given data. Right, now I am taking a simple problem. I am not going to simplify it, but how to use Lagrange's interpolation formula we are going to discuss. Now first problem, find f of 2 using Lagrange's interpolation formula where 1 comma 10, next 3 comma 15, next 4 comma 20. This data is given to you. Now find f of 2 using Lagrange's interpolation formula means these are called in ordered pair. No, this is called x naught value, this is y naught value, x1 value, y1 value, x2 value, y2 value. This also can be written, this can be written as f of x naught, this can be written as f of x1, this can be written as f of x2. The function values are also denoted by f of x naught, f of x1, comma f of x2, comma f of x3, f of x4 and so on. Standard notations are y naught, y1, y2, y3 and so on. Right, now here we are tabulating the functions. See, x values, f of x values, x value is 1, 3, 4. Right, now see here this is 10, 15, 20, f of x naught, f of x1, f of x2, x naught, x1, x2. Based on this Lagrange's formula, f of x is equal to L naught of x into f of x naught plus L1 of x into f of x1 plus L3 of x into f of x2. That's it. Right, we have to stop the procedure. Endukani there are three function values. This is the Lagrange's interpolation formula, LIF. Okay, now see now what is L naught of x? Based on the table we have to write how many x values are there. There are three values. Now first discard this x value, write the combination factors x minus x1 into x minus x2 by the discarded value. That's it. What is L1 of x? L1 of x is discard second value of x, that is x minus x naught into x minus x2 by that discarded value. Replace x by discarded value. Next, L2 of x is equal to x minus, discard third value of x, that is x2, x minus x naught, x minus x1 by replace x by discarded value, x2 minus x naught, x2 minus x1. That's it. These are called L naught of x, L1 of x, L2 of x. Okay, now substitute those values. Now here if you want you can find it separately or directly can write right here. Now what is L naught of x? That is x minus, what is x? At x is equal to 2, find the value of f of 2 అన్నాడు కదా. Right, suppose find the polynomial అంటే remember x is equal to x only. ఎప్పుడు find the polynomial which satisfies the given data means x is equal to x only, and hence find f of 2 అంటే replace x by 2. Now here first of all we are finding the polynomial. ఏమని? x minus, what is x1? 3 into x minus x2 20 by, now sorry what is the value? 4, no, this one. Right, now what is x naught value? X naught value is 1, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 4. If you simplify this one, x minus 3 into x minus 4 by, this is L naught of x. Now what is L1 of x? X minus 1 into x minus 4 by 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 4. Simply substituting those values. Here x minus 1 into x minus 3 by 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 3. Now we know f of x naught value. Therefore, f of x is equal to L naught of x is x minus 3 into x minus 4 by, if you simplify this one, this is minus 2 into minus 3 into f of x naught. F of x naught value is there, function value, remember, that is 10. Plus, what is L1 of x? x1 minus x minus 1 into x minus 4 by 2 into minus 1 into function value is what? F of x1 is 15, plus L2 of x is this one, L2 of x into f of x2, no? Right, that is x minus 1 into x minus 3 by 4 minus 1 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1 into the function value. What is the function value? 20. Now if you simplify this one, you will get f of x value, you will get x square, x term, some x term, some coefficient into plus some constant. You will get a polynomial in x, right, which is a quadratic equation. Why we are getting a quadratic equation, sir? Means here there are two factors. So if you multiply this one, you will get x square. No, that's why, right? Now see, we will get a quadratic equation. You will get a polynomial in x which satisfies the given data, right? Given data. Now after getting f of x, you can find f of 2. That means in the place of x, replace x by 2. If you simplify this one, you will get the answer f of 2 is equal to something. This is the procedure. Again, ఇలాంటి Lagrange's polynomial ఇంకోటి చూద్దాం. ఎలా ఇస్తాడు? Find the polynomial or f of 0.124 something, ఏదన్నా ఇవ్వనండి. Data ఎలా ఇస్తాడు? Data is in this form, that means x value, function value. Sometimes where f of x is equal to log x or sin x or x plus e power x or cos x plus 2, whatever it may be. Now the function is given like this, f of x is equal to, right, and also x is equal to 1 2 3 అన్నాడు అనుకోండి, suppose. Now first of all you have to find the function values. X values are given 1 2 3. What about function values? When x is equal to 1, so suppose if f of x is log x, you have to find log 1 value using calculator, scientific calculator. And when x is equal to 2, log 2 you have to find out. Similarly, when x is equal to 3, log 3 using scientific calculator we have to find the values. Now we know this is f of x naught, this is f of x1, this is f of x2, x naught, x1, x2, right? Now same as Lagrange's interpolation formula. We know that f of x is equal to L naught of x into f of x naught plus L1 of x into f of x1 plus L2 of x into f of x2, రైట్? ఇలా ఫంక్షన్ వాల్యూస్ ఇస్తాడు. లేదంటే మీకు ఇంకా ఏ టైప్లో ఇస్తాడు? సి ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 20, ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 3 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 40, ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 4 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 50, ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 5 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 60. ఫైండ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ 1.5, right? See, these are x values and these are function values. Here x values is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Function values are 20, 40, 50 and 60. Now you can write the Lagrange's interpolation formula based on this table. How to write this one? First one I am writing L naught of x is equal to, here we have to discard first one, no? X naught, x1, x2, x3. What is L naught of x? X minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 by replace x by discarded value, x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2, x naught minus x3 plus, sorry, this is L1 of x. L1 of x means you have to discard the second value of x. This problem is very, very important, right? This type of problems, Lagrange's interpolation problems. Next, in the next video, we are going to discuss Newton's forward difference formula, Newton's backward difference formula, and also Newton's divided difference formula. In the next video, we are going to discuss those three problems.